Well, how are you doing this fine evening, everyone? I hope you are doing well. I am here by myself, unfortunately, tonight. It's a really warm day. Bob got a little overheated today, but he's fine, but he just didn't feel like going out. So, you know, that's pretty bad for old Bobbin if he's not up for searching for some treasures. You know, he must have really got overheated. So, anyway, we're gonna start the night with that bad boy. How about some bed rails? Alright, something caught my eye. Looks like microwave. It is microwave. Samsung. Got a couple tricycles and a mirror. Don't mind if I do. That's retro, huh? Retro cool. I should almost consider putting that on eBay.
This swing's gonna go,
Okay.
this chair's gonna go, and this table's gonna go, and something else I can think of. No? Oh, I'll tell you what I got.
Okay.
See that big box in there? That's
Box.
steel. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also the table.
Okay.
So, but I can't take it out right now.
Sure.
So it's just keeping tight, and you can have that.
Okay.
And also you can have refrigerators.
We can. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got a refrigerator and I got a dryer downstairs.
Okay. Yeah.
But we're taking our little by little as much as we can.
Sure.
And if I can't get rid of this baby, you can have that too.
Okay.
That swing right there,
Yeah.
you can have that.
I can't get that by myself though.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah,
know. I'm just
okay.
telling you so you know.
Okay.
These chairs gotta go.
Okay. When we take them, take them now.
You can take those now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Take those now.
Okay.
They go with this table. So next time you come over, you can take the table.
Okay. When do you want me to come back? Next week, same time? Or?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
Because I got more. I'm gonna have more stuff from downstairs, and get rid of that.
Okay.
Right now, everything.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. I'll take these 2 chairs tonight, and I'll come back
It's
next
supposed
week.
to be 4. Oh,
Oh.
here's the other one, and there's another one somewhere. There's supposed to be 4. Here's the other.
Oh,
one.
there. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Take all 4 tonight.
Right.
Okay.
I don't know if you do anything with it.
I can take that too. Sure.
Yes.
Get it going. Okay.
Okay.
Those are some old school chairs. May have to resell those.
Also the chairs are right there. See those right?
You just told me I can put my truck up there. So, ow, dummy head. I don't want to hurt this. I want to put this in the truck. Somebody doing a retro decor, really wanting that. So Scrap and Palaman has been after me to get a GoPro 8, and I think after what just happened I'm going to get one because I'm so mad right now. You can see back there, you can see all the stuff we just picked up, and I don't don't think it recorded any of it. That guy came out, pulled me aside, says, back your truck up, or bring your truck on in, and we're gonna load you up, and we did just that, and I don't think it recorded any of it. So I'll show you here in a minute what we got. Okay, we're back here at the property, and what did you miss? Well, got 4 of these matching chairs, which I think I might put on local swap. They got that, you know, chippy paint kind of look to them. That seems to be real popular right now. We got 2 microwaves, air conditioner, another chair back there, and this, you know, right there. Mirror, retro mirror, some miscellaneous scrap metal. So, nice haul from that place. Sorry it didn't record, but yeah, it's probably time for me to get a new GoPro. But that being said, this guy wants me to come back next week. Same scrap time, same scrap channel. All right, everybody, it's the next day, and I got some news. First of all, these 4 chairs, I took pictures of them, put them on Facebook Swap, and already sold them for 50 bucks. So I thought that was pretty good news. That's more than we ever would have got in scrap metal. And the other good news is Bob is coming on his way to pick me up, and we're going to go out in the Bobmobile. Well, look who's here, everybody. You. It's an owl. And look what we came across already tonight. First road we've been down.
Look at this pretty thing.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, sir.
That is good.
This whole thing is just beautiful.
Yeah.
Kind of like your face, Bob.
Got it?
I got it, yep. All right, I got my half, you get yours. Ready?
Ready.
I like starting the nights like that.
For sure.
Here, it's for you.
Here. Now we're even.
Now we're even. Oh, it's a cabinet.
Plastic.
No, sir, not plastic. Metal. All right. Did you say you're buying me a peanut buster parfait tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Hit your truck, sorry. All right.
Hello there.
Wow, right in the nose, buddy. Right in the nose.
Just about.
Just about.
Like horseshoes. Gotta push the button.
I know what I gotta do. Hit me in the head. I can't believe you hit me in the head.
I tried. That's a 16.
Wait till my mother sees that.
Oh.
Wait till my mom sees you tried to hurt her little boy. What's that?
I remember somebody hit me a couple times.
Who?
Feet don't hurt no limbs.
Alright, is that good enough that way?
No.
No? Wow. He's serious, folks.
Serious.
See how nice that looks?
Boy, that's nice.
How hard was that?
Not hard at all.
Get hit in the
Until you
head.
get hit in the head, yeah. So we were here last week. Some of that pile was there last week. Bob went to the door and asked them if we could have it. And they said no, they had someone coming to pick it up. So yeah, we're gonna try this again apparently. I guess it pays to ask.
You can have whatever you want, just don't make a mess.
Just don't make a mess, huh? Okay. Bike frame. Back wheel's still in there. You want to grab that or? Got it. Got it. Okay, nope. We'll come back for two-handed on that. You found my family? Hey, that looks exactly like my brother.
No, you don't.
No?
You got a shorter nose. You gotta get colored, man.
Alright. Okay. Back up here for this? Yeah, I can. Copper. Okay, that was weird. You ready for this?
Yep.
Alright, put the microwave right there. Boom. Geez, leave 3 inches on there, why don't you? Alright, you ready to roll, bud?
Yep.
There's your problem. What'd you get here? Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. People want to see it at home. Wall decor, Hobby Lobby. It's a chalkboard.
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 How about that?
For best results, use chalk only. Well, thanks, Captain Obvious.
You see there?
There you go. Very nice. Bet you Diane would actually like that. We'll put that in the cab. Alright, Bob forces me to stop. He saw something in a black bag.
Yep.
It's hot out. He wants to stop and look at every little thing. Let's see if it's worth it, folks. Great. I guess we're taking it. Oh, Lord help me.
You have a ladder toss?
Did you open it up and see if it was plastic or? No, it's no. Just get there. Get in the car.
Huh. Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Does it work? Looks to work. You want to put it in the antique wall?
Yeah.
All right. You got it there, Muscles?
I got it.
Yeah, I got it.
You don't like it?
I love it. It's Ertl even. Look at that.
Look at that. It's a real beauty, man.
Fits like a glove. All right. I'm gonna smash that tractor. Oh, bike just peed on me. Nasty.
What it down in the middle.
There? That bike peed on me, Bob. Yeah. You know what? You probably don't have ratchets or bungees, do you?
Huh?
You don't have ratchets or bungees either.
Have to jump up and down on them, yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have to ratchet. We're gonna have to tie them down somehow. Maybe they'll sell you a bungee cord if they got one. Yeah, you got a bungee cord you want to sell us?
Give you one. Take care.
Oh, I think we're full, Bob.
Think so?
Yep. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Huh. Yeah, we just.
I ain't worried about that. No.
No, you sure?
Yes. Take it. Keep it. Don't worry about it.
Well, thank you. I
No
appreciate it.
problem. I just like seeing the shit out of here.
What do you think, man?
I don't think that's going to go anywhere. All right, we got 2 trucks, yeah, a truck and a half full of junk anyway, maybe.
Junk.
I mean, treasure.
Treasure.
Treasure, look at that hairdo, man. All right, battery died, now we're back. All right, so we got 50 in chairs that we're gonna get on Thursday. Probably, what do you think? Another 50 in this truck?
I would say so.
50, and then maybe 20 in that truck. So probably 120, I would think, all in all.
That's not bad for a day. You did it
2
all.
days.
2 days.
2 days. Some of us were out here for 2 days.
Some of us.
Some of us were slacking at home in the air
Nice,
conditioning.
cool air conditioning.
All right, everybody. Well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a part of the channel. We'll see you next time at the same scrap time, same scrap channel.
ShaneManTV. Subscribe.
See you later, guys.